Another nasty thunderstorm. I don't think I've ever seen a spring, summer, whatever this is, with so many violent electrical storms. This one that we're on Tesla Lake right now. The last couple of hours coming in here on the Alaska Highway, the electrical displays were pretty impressive. Too bad you can't hear the thunder over the rain.